Dr. NGR Educational and Research Institute, University, Madurai, Chennai.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am C. Satyachitra, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. I feel extremely privileged and honored to be given this opportunity to welcome all on this wonderful occasion. I would like to express my sincere thanks our Founder Chancellor A.C. Shanmugam sir, our Honorable President A.C. S. Arun Kumar sir, Vice Chancellor Dr. Geeta Lakshmi ma'am, Provost, Rectors, Registers, Additional Registers, all joint registers, Deans, Deputy Deans, HODs, Deputy HODs, teaching and non-teaching staffs of various departments. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our first year ENT Dr. N.S. Subhashri ma'am for her restless effort and full support for us. I would like to express my special thanks to our chief guest, Mrs. Jayalakshmi, Professor and Head of the Department, ECE Department, Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute, and Dr. Sudhaman and Mr. Lakshmi Narayanan will also join this session. The title of the journey of the Odyssey milestone and achievement of the department. Once again, I welcome one and all.
Lakshmi sir, you can start.
Lakshmi sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Lakshmi sir? Sir, kindly check your audio, sir.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. Able to hear my voice? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir. You can start.
Thank you. So, welcome you all. So, warm good afternoon to one and all present here. See, on behalf of the management and on behalf of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, I warmly welcome all our dear first year students, freshers to our department. So, this is going to be an orientation program or session which will take you to what the genesis of the department is and what we are now. So welcome you all. So before to start anything, the opportunities and the various domains where you can work on electronics and communication are, the number one is on semiconductor industry. So as you all are aware of now, even our government our government of India has launched a very good initiative schemes on the semiconductor devices and semiconductor design and analysis. So you can work on the semiconductor field. So that's the greatest opportunity available in ECE, where you can work on fabrication, all in all your telecommunication field like 5G, fifth generation communications, and its design and analysis, right? Also, you work on automobile sectors, infrastructure field, where variety of design orientations is available, and domain expertise is possible with respect to electronics and communication. If you go for communication field, you can work on the limitations in 5G and the vast opportunities available in 5G networks. Okay, then the latest automation. So nowadays all are in now we are in the automation era, where on field jobs are completely taken over by automation, where if you take up a mobile or any service industry or mobile services or mobile chargers or mobile okay, troubleshooting, everything is automation now. Automation is coming in a big way. And also in medical field, where you can work on image analysis and medical image processing fields. Okay, also in forensic fields, the opportunities are plenty available for communication engineers, where you work on different sound engineers are required on different expertise are welcome in forensic departments. Also in defense also we have a lot of government projects that is available in communication, where you work on high frequency and microwave and optical frequencies. So these are all the opportunities available in electronics and communication. So you have rightly chosen come into the electronics and communication field. So now about the department. So it is established in the year 1988. So we have an intake of 120. So we have a very vibrant infrastructure with the smart classroom and seminar halls and department library, and also a centralized library with more number of e-books available and journals available. So we have a very good number of faculty with the doctorates who work on different domains in communication and electronics. So currently we are working on one UG program, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and from this semester we are offering honors program with specialization in Internet of Things, or also in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So this will get you to what Internet of Things is all about, and we are now in Internet of everything, right? Like all how your different devices are connected, and how we are remotely connected and remotely monitored and remotely controlled by different devices, and we are in the devices era actually. So without devices we don't actually try to work on any aspect. So with devices and with gadgets only we are working for all our life skills. Then we have a PG program with VLSI and embedded system design. Also we have PhD program. So our department mission is to accomplish academic excellence through different teaching learning process, and also how to ready the students to face the challenges in electronics and communication engineering, of course with moral and ethical values, and also to create an innovation and creativity zeal among the students, such that more entrepreneurship like opportunities are thrown to the students for a holistic development of the students. So the milestones, the genesis of the department, we are an MBA accredited department. So we have an industrial project, we have different projects worked on with the active participation of both the faculty and the students. So we also offer different skill based and entrepreneurship based programs. So this is about international programs, how we run in 2017-18. We had a opportunity, our students had a very wonderful opportunity of having an international honors program. They spent a month on Taipei Medical University learning on artificial intelligence in medical field. In 18-19, they had a very good opportunity with respect to IoT project and AI project in Sheffield University. It was a sponsored program, national seminar program. Then in 1920, we had a workshop on in association with IIT Bombay on electronic simulation software. Now currently we are having a very proud funded project from the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, working on antenna design. So seed money is also granted for our both for our student innovative projects and also staff achievements. So these are all the general informations. So with respect to the curricular aspects, so we'll be dealt with different core domain subjects as well as interdisciplinary subjects. So that is a flexibility of choosing different electives and also interdisciplinary papers from your fourth semester onwards. So this is how the curriculum is structured. So we have a core course, elective course in the sense we have a communication stream as well as electronic stream, where different subjects are lined up for getting a feel of how communication and electronic stream work on with the current industry trends. So also we offer humanity and social sciences course, life skills and soft skills courses are also offered, wherein we have a life skill course called Human Values, Universal Human Values, wherein you will be given an activity. It's an activity-based learning, both an activity as well as project-based learning, where students will be thrown open to different activities and how they can face those challenges. Like that will be a classroom activity. It will be very interesting. So then we have a soft skill also. Soft skill training is provided for your to match up to your that will enhance or that will be a catalyst for your placement opportunities. Also, we offer science courses where you will be doing your first year with engineering sciences courses. This is how your curriculum is structured and lined up. So the focus is on different electives. We also have a course called Open Elective, where student will be given a choice of studying different domains, like from mechanical stream and from if we want to learn about automobile engineering in depth. So that we have an opportunity with to study in your sixth semester onwards. In sixth and seventh semester, you have an option in open elective. You also have an open lab. Open lab in the sense you will be doing labs on different streams like chemical process and other areas of engineering other than the department subjects. So we do have a strong mentoring support given to the students to counsel them on different aspects. So across cultural barriers and cross-cultural learning, we have a very wonderful student support system where you have counselors allotted for each and every student. So a batch of 20 students will be allotted with a mentor, and the particular faculty will be in touch with the student to counsel them, to help them with all the support that is required in general to have a behavioral counseling, like to support them in all aspects. So this is about the interdisciplinary courses, like we have management subject, you have a skill development subject, you have an environmental subject. So you have an entrepreneurship development paper. Soft skills will provide you with how to build a resume, how to go about with the interview process, what are all the steps necessary, what all to be done, what all to not to be done. So all those will be, you will be taken you, which will give you a very good ready. You'll be become ready for sitting for placements from sixth semester onwards. So to support all your learning-based activities, we have a very good support with respect to the laboratory facilities. We have an embedded system design lab, we have microcontroller lab, and
excuse me, sir, Sudaman sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, my issue got sorted, sir. Shall I proceed?
You can continue, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. welcome to one and all. Sorry, I had a little problem with my mic. Okay, so let me proceed with the opportunities of electronics. Right. So chips are basis for semiconductor engineering. Right. So we are moving from a services-based country to a manufacturing-based country. So recently, you might have heard about the Foxconn setting up its semiconductor unit in Gujarat, right? So people who are going to manufacture the chip is going to rule the world because um, after this post-pandemic, there are everywhere you can see a shortage of chips, right? So the semiconductor is an important area in which only can electronics engineer can do a research. Okay, so I think SAR has covered multiple opportunities and about the department and what are the different programs being offered, what are the different interdisciplinary courses we have, right? So let me move on to the lab systems where we have DSP and embedded system design lab. So DSP is basically about the processing of signals. So all the information that we convey and what you listen, everything is in the form of signal, right? So these signals need to be processed and it has to be analyzed and how to overcome the noises present in it. All these are you can do it practically with the help of this lab. And you have embedded system design lab. In addition to the DSP, you have embedded system. So in embedded system, it's actually a chip that is integrated with all the peripheral components. Right? You can run any application using a chip. Say, for example, running a motor or making a traffic light glowing or on and off. All these can be done with the help of this a simple chip that is going to be integrated with peripheral devices. Right. Next. Next, we have microwave and optical communication lab. So, as a communication engineer, microwave and optical communication plays an essential part. So, in case of a microwave, you will be studying about high frequency signals and how they are analyzed by finding out specific parameters, something like directivity, gain, resolution, standing wave ratio, reflection coefficient. All these parameters will be measured and determined with the help of these microwave lab experiments. And you have optical communication lab in which light is being made as a primary source of communication. Right. In this, you will be finding out the numerical aperture of the optical fiber, how to find the critical angle of the optical fiber. In addition to these laboratories, we have some basic laboratories, something like circuits and devices lab. So the circuit lab basically starts with your verification of basic electrical laws, like something like Kirchhoff's current law, voltage law, and theorems related to electrical networks. And regarding devices, we have characteristics. We will be studying the characteristics of PN junction, ZNS diode, and a lot of other transistors as well as special diodes. Next. Next. So this is actually our department library. So department library boasts of emerging topics, like all these books, something like artificial intelligence, books on machine learning, and in addition to the conventional electronics books. Moreover, we are subscribing to e-journals and e-publications. It is actually sent once in a month, um, and students can access it as and when required. Right, the department has an professional body, namely IET, Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers. So once they enroll into the second year of ENT, right, there where their core engineering starts, they will be studying about uh, the latest technology through seminars conducted by technical experts in association with IUT. Right. So we have conducted workshops regarding technological advancements also. We have a CANSAT workshop uh, being conducted. So it actually gives a deep insight into the working of how a satellite is working. Right. We have student internships, uh, which we sign a memorandum of understanding with foreign universities too. So in case of say Sheffield Hallam University, UK, where our students, along with our senior professor of the department, have gone for a month uh, short-term training program, wherein there is a cross exchange of information. Not only the information is being exchanged, the cultural exchange is also happened. We had been to Asia University, Taiwan, wherein our students, as well as the escorted by a faculty member, they have done a program on artificial intelligence. Then we have MOUs being signed with all these areas: Indian Technology Congress, NSIC, National Small Industries Corporation, and Bosch Limited, RGTTC, Rajiv Gandhi Telecom Training Center, then PALS, an offshoot of IIT Alumni Association, then Times Institute of Management for improving the soft skills of the students, then TGPL, then of course Larsen and Toubro. In addition to that, we normally do conduct certificate training programs being offered by uh, companies. So we last semester we had a training program on Arduino board, where students are encouraged to do some mini projects. We do have international MOUs with a lot of foreign universities. Some of them are, as you are seeing here, Hawaiian Institute of Technology, Chennai, then Institute of Technology, Petronox, Malaysia, then Asia University, Taiwan, where our students have gone for an internship and study international UK Limited. Then we have in-plant training and industrial facility also. In case of in-plant training, we had been to BSNL, NSIC, Railtel Corporation of, they are all these uh, institutes are offering in-plant training. So this is normally being done during the semester holidays, so that students can utilize their holidays in an effective manner. And we do have industrial visits to different places, like something like ISRO. Then we had been to Indian Meteorological Department, Doordarshan, All India Radio, and recently we had been to Isuzu Motor Sri City, Andhra Pradesh. So next. Salcomp is actually an telecom training center, wherein the students can be trained to know the latest networking system happening in the telecom world. So Salcom is basically a solution provider for BSNL, Airtel, and all those students' achievements. One of our student has got a championship award in World Robotics Championship held at New Delhi way back in 2019. Right. Not only our students are competent in core areas of engineering, rather they will be participating in various cultural events across the nation. So these are some of the achievements being felicitated by our top management people, the university. This is actually a small robotic system, right, being designed by that student. He's actually he's an entrepreneur. He's running a company. This is a social awareness and annual safety competition, wherein we are not only doing technical projects, but we do projects that actually caters to the requirements of the downtrodden people. So it's a part of our institutional social responsibility also. So Newgen IEDC is a special cell which is actually encouraging the student entrepreneurs. So people who want to pursue their career in entrepreneurship, they can be enrolled in Newgen IEDC. They can innovate their ideas, and they'll be encouraged to do innovative projects and product development. So this is student getting certified after undergoing training from NSIs. So as I have told you, corporate social responsibility series. These are the different camps being organized by us. So anti-plastic awareness rally, then dengue awareness program. Then we have a special camp program in the neighborhood. We have, of course, blood donation camp in association with our medical college. And we have a breast cancer awareness program. International Day of Yoga is being celebrated. Regarding students club, a lot of clubs are being prevalent. So foremost is Rotaract Club, which is a student wing of your Rotary Club. Right? You might have heard about Rotary Club. Rotaract Club is a student wing of Rotary Club. Rotary Club, wherein we do community service with the help of this Rotary Club. Then NSAFE Club, it is basically formed to create awareness among the public about the effective energy saving methods being adopted. Say, for example, uh, how an LED light is energy efficient when it is replacing the conventional CFL bulbs. So we'll be uh, promoting posters, publishing brochures, and distributing it among the general public. Then we have Journal Club also. Journal Club is actually a combination of both teachers and student members of the different sections, in which there will be a discussion and deliberation on emerging topics, and students are encouraged to make their presentations on the topics of their choice. And there will be a question and answer session followed by the conclusion of the faculty member. And we have student association in the department also. So ECOMET. This ECOMET is Electronic Communication E&T Engineering Technology Association. So this association normally responsible for conducting seminars, workshops, and any student related programs. Next.
Lakshmi sir, shall I proceed?
Okay.
Yes. So good afternoon to one and all present here. And as a head of the department, I am extending a warm welcome to each one of you into the department, along with Deputy HOD Dr. K. Sudhaman and Lakshmi Narayanan sir. So let me continue. So sir was listing about the events that is being organized under the ECOMET Association. One major event that is organized in the department is National Level Technical Symposium, which we have named it as Kalam, where the students can actively participate in all the technical events that includes paper presentation, circuit debugging, technical quiz, project expo, etc. And the interested students, they can also participate in non-technical events, which would be scheduled in the symposium. And regarding this event, as I mentioned, it is being organized by the students for the students through our ECE association named as ECOMET. And this Kalam was named by your seniors as a tribute to our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In other term, this Kalam can also be pronounced as Kalam, where in Tamil, Kalam refers to a place to exhibit your talents. So the Department of ECE, we always encourage our students to participate in co-curricular activities, not only within campus, but also outside campus, so that you get exposed with new technical happenings. And again, the department equally motivates student participation even in extracurricular activities too. So this is just a sample of event that has been held during which we have taken a. And next is about the national conference. So just like a symposium, every year we conduct another national, as sir mentioned, we conduct various events. Every semester we plan for around 12 to 13 events that includes guest lectures, interdisciplinary lecture, certificate training programs, placement training programs. The one that I mentioned is the major event that we normally conduct. One is this National Level Technical Symposium, which I mentioned. The other one is this national conference. So just like symposium, as I said, this is again a national level technical event, and every year we conduct this in the name of silicon. So as you all know, silicon is a material that is commonly used to semiconductor in electronics. So here silicon is a platform where researchers, academicians, students, and industry personnel share their innovative ideas in the field of electronics and communication engineering. So every year we go with a theme based on the current research area, and we get participants from various universities and industries all over India. And we do conduct international conferences in the department. Sudhaman sir? So go to the previous slides. So regarding, yes. So regarding the placement, so our university conducts a placement drive through the training and placement cell. So in order to make the students industry ready, the placement cell, they regularly organize training programs to develop the soft skill and technical skills of the students. Apart from this, soft skill and technical skill courses are integrated into the curriculum of ECE department. So our students have got placed both in government and non-government organizations. And we at the department, we strive hard to make our students to be the job creators and not the job seekers as per the vision of our university. So these are just the glimpses of some of the, and we do conduct micro level placements at the department. Apart from the university level placement, from the department, we have taken some initiatives to arrange for some micro level placements that is possible from our side. And what you see are some of our proud recruiters. Regarding the course delivery methods, the student is able to have a blended learning wherein traditional classroom teaching is combined with the online learning and independent study, so that the student is allowed to have a control over the time, pace, and style of learning. So apart from theory and practical courses that is being offered, ETL course named as Embedded Theory Lab. This kind of a course is integrated into the curriculum so that the student experience theories in practice. So similarly, as already mentioned, industrial visit, internships provide real life work experience so that it helps their learning and improve their employability. And students are facilitated to register themselves in NPTEL that provides e-learning through online, web over video courses for various streams. And faculty members of ECE department have also created their own video lectures for better learning experience of our students. And students also gain knowledge through webinars and various interactive learning modules that is incorporated in the teaching methodology. So such kind of a learning module is what you are seeing in the screen. I will again discuss it in detail. The next, sir. Sudhaman, sir. Okay. So when I talk about this learning modules, I will also discuss about the assessment methods. So we follow 5 interactive modules in which the marks they obtain on an average is considered as CAT1 marks. So CAT in sense continuous assessment test. So we have ILM1, which is an open book test. ILM is nothing but an interactive learning module. So as I said, you have 5 interactive learning modules put together. The average is considered to be the CAT1 mark. And as I said, regarding ILM1, the first one is an open book test. This is an exercise for the students so that he gets familiar with the textbooks and reference books of the particular subject. So the question paper for an open book test would be in such a way that he will have to apply the concept. So it's not just looking into the book and writing as it is. It will be like you have to understand the concept, you have to apply the concept and answer accordingly. So that is how this is just to improve the thinking skills of the students. And the second ILM module is online test, wherein in this online, the online test will be scheduled for the students based on the corresponding courses that they undertake. And regarding ILM3, it can be a seminar given by the student, or it could be a group discussion, or even it could be a technical quiz. All this is conducted to make the student to be familiar with the concept. And ILM4, it's a team-based event. It can be like a team of students can join together and prepare a module, or it could be a chart, or they can even develop a mini project demonstrating the particular concept. And regarding ILM5, it could be a participation in technical events. As I mentioned earlier, you are always welcome to participate in technical events, both in the on and the off campus. And apart from that, the continuous assessment test 2 will be conducted on completion of second and third unit. This will be for 50 marks. And the pre-university examination will be conducted on completion of all 5 units for 100 marks. So the exam pattern of pre-university examination will be just similar to the university exam. And of course, assignments will be given for each and every unit, and the marks will be awarded. The internal marks will be calculated considering all these parameters which I have listed. All the ILMs, the internal assessments, and the assignments put together, the internal marks will be decided. The external marks will be calculated. This is based on the performance in the end semester exam. And both internal and external marks decide the grade for the particular subject. So again, different ICT tools that is being employed for the teaching is what you are seeing in the screen. And as I already mentioned, you are encouraged to take up NPTEL courses and MOOC courses. All those open softwares are available. You can go with that, apart from the regular academics that we discuss. Sir? Sudaman sir? Sudaman sir? Regarding the projects, students are always stimulated starting from problem identification till the conclusion of the project. The students can take up projects in all core areas of ECE, including IoT, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and all upcoming technologies. And frequent review meetings will be conducted by panel experts, and an evaluation sheet will be maintained to record the marks awarded based on the student performance. Regarding the JAC Prodigy, we follow a JAC Prodigy system, which is an online education management system that keeps record of students' attendance and academic performance report. The faculty will enter the students' attendance after every hour of teaching as per timetable, and in case of any absence, the concerned parent will be informed the same. And the internal assessment, assignment, and ILM marks which I listed are all being recorded in this online system. And at the end of the course, the internal marks will be generated by the JAC Prodigy system. Already I have discussed about the assessment methods. I referred about CAT 1, CAT 2, pre-university, assignments, all those things. And on successful completion of the ECE program without any backlogs, the student is eligible to be awarded with a BTech degree. So the convocation picture is what you see here of our department. And with this, I wish each and every one of you a happy learning in Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. Sudaman sir, you can continue. Sudaman sir, if you want to add some point, you can continue.
Yes, ma'am. So to add more points to what HOD Dr. Jailashmi ma'am has pointed out, so we have a very vibrant and strong alumni network where students, after passing out from our institute, they are placed in very good core companies and other IT jobs. So they contribute back to the department, back to the institute where they have taken all their learning. So through IQAC meetings, we have an quality assurance meeting conducted every quarterly. So they form a part of the IQAC meetings. So they will share their experiences on what they have come across in their period of job, and what is the current requirements from the industry side. So to suit those needs, we will take up the suggestions and the points raised by the industrial experts and other members from the core industries. So they will also during technical events, as ma'am and sir has pointed out. So we will be exchanging with. We'll have a very good networking opportunity and exchanging the views of how what the current industry is all about. What are the requirements? How to bring about that to cope up with the curriculum and what best can be given to the students so that you can have a whole round holistic knowledge gaining from the 4 years of your electronics and communication study. So all the cutting edge technologies will be discussed in through your symposium and conferences, as ma'am has pointed out, on various current technologies like your Internet of Everything, then image processing, advanced image processing techniques, and machine learning techniques, and currently blockchain technology and quantum computing. So these are all different areas where you can get back. So the best practices. So we have very good different practices wherein we have installed an automatic rain gauge in our institute campus, in our medical college campus in Velappan Chavadi. So it was an initiative by our department. Um, so wherein it's in the automatic rain gauge will measure the okay the rain measurement. So it will give you the rain measurement, and it was inaugurated by the government officials. So we also have a very good e-waste management policy, and the e-waste management principles we maintain in our department, electronic waste. So we also conduct regular e-waste management activities and modules throughout your year of study. So to join with all the social media links, so our department proudly, our electronics communication department, we can proudly say that we are with more number of followers in our social media links through Facebook and YouTube channel, and also through Insta links. So I will share you all the Facebook links through your coordinators. So you can through your first year coordinators, Dr. Shubhashri ma'am, Dr. Saravanan, and Dr. Swapna. So you can get the links and get to know what are all the happenings. So day-to-day activities will be updated in the social media. So you can you will be part of social media also, which will be happening the events which will be happening across the different days in the department, in the institute. So that's it. So we have been. With this, we welcome you to the wonderful place where you are going to spend all the rest of your 4 years, where you will get a very good understanding of the concepts of electronics as well as communication, and apply those concepts in real-time fields, which requires solutions and so. Ma'am, anything to add, ma'am?
Yes, sir. We have
So if you
covered
have any queries to
all the
come up with, you
happenings in
can
the
very well.
department and the opportunities on. Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it, sir. We have covered whatever the happenings in the department, and am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sudaman, sir? Am I audible?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, you are audible. Students, if you have any queries to come up, you
Okay, sir. I
can.
think we can.
Ma'am, sir, or shall we wind up?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you
Yes.
so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for your excellent talk about the journey of the Odyssey milestone and achievement of our of our department. This is a time for convey my sincere thanks to our founder chairman, yeah, AC Shanmugam sir, Honorable President Engineer ACS Arun Kumar sir, Vice Chancellor Geeta Lakshmi ma'am, Provost, Rector, Registers, Additional Registers, all joint registers, Deans, Deputy Deans, HODs, Deputy HODs, teaching and non-teaching staff of our various departments. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude our joint registrar, first year ENT, Dr. N.S. Subhashri ma'am, for her lustrous effort and full support for us. I am also happy to extend our gratitude, our beloved students to make this event as a great success. Once again, I thank you one and all present here. Thank you. Thank you very much.